This is the Rixxu Sport Series seat covers, and I have a 2018 Honda Civic. I highly recommend it. They look great in the car. This is part leather. Here is kind of like a cloth. This is the 60/40 seats from Rixxu. If we go down to the second row configuration under 640, split bench, Super Sport is under the recommended section, but here's a little visual to show you what it looks like. It doesn't fit perfectly. It's just a universal fit, you can tell. But I mean, it's such a small difference. I don't really care as long as it covers most of the seat. This whole part is covered. Seat pockets, perfect for putting your stuff in. Here's a different angle from the passenger side. You can see that everything's fully covered, and you can see that the back pocket seats, there's no space in between, especially the bottom fits. There's no issues at all. These seats, you gotta actually take them out. Also, this video is not sponsored by any means. I just want to simply help those who just want to see what the seat covers look like. Links are in the description for more information. It's my pleasure to help you guys out. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.